My today's video is on how to move on, how to get over one-sided love. Such an important topic in today's times, and I'm very glad that I'm here with 3 points and gone through such experiences myself, and to share these 3 main points and help you guys. As I know, I feel you, what it feels like getting over one-sided love, and it can be again a very devastating process. So let's put it down into 3 steps so we can start at least trying to step away from one sided love. My first point, guys, is when it's one sided love, you have already extended yourself a lot. You have tried everything you can. You have put your best foot forward already to let them know that probably you love them, you would like a future with them, and so and so. So, what happens when that love is not reciprocated? It is very important to settle for respect. So, if you cannot receive their love, we can settle for respect. And how do you settle for that respect? Is when somebody is rejecting what you are trying to offer, is you step back. You may miss them, there will be pain, it's not from a place of hurt, you can still have love for them, but it is very important that for a while you step back. I would always suggest 30 days is you give your brain, you give yourself that time, and if they are trying to contact you or maintain a friendship, you let them know that you want that time to yourself and step back. Also let them know that if they change their mind about their feelings in this 1 month or this time that you want to take, they can contact you, but only contact you if they feel the kind of feelings you feel. And that's what is self-respect, that is respect. And somebody can only love you when they respect you. So settle for respect, and it's a win-win situation. You will win in your own heart. In this time you will feel very proud of yourself that even though you felt those feelings, but you were not a slave to them, you know what I mean. And it also gives them a chance to rethink whether they let go of a very good opportunity, and they might come back. I'm just saying this is a possibility, not a guarantee, that they might come back with romantic feelings and reciprocation if you give the chance through respect. My second point is, when we are in a one-sided situation, one-sided love, it always comes down to these things that you don't like about yourself. Otherwise, to be honest, why would we put ourselves on a platter towards someone who don't feel the same way? So I request you to check. It's a good time to check and observe what are the 1 to 2 things that you genuinely don't like about yourself. Now, to give you an example, is that I realized that somewhere I used to be overweight and I wanted the validation of somebody who looked better than me. Hence, I would fall into one sided kind of situations. And I was not very happy with what I did, enjoyed my career so much. So, I would choose people and get into these one sided situations who are doing very well in that category. So, check what you don't like. Sometimes we feel it is one sided love, but it turns out that it is something that you're very inspired by. And if you change that in yourself, you can step out of these situations faster. And again, when you start focusing on yourself, the other person also feels respect towards you, because when you're focusing on yourself, what are the things you don't like about yourself and work on them, it creates respect at the end. The third thing that I noted, and this was a big experience of mine, even if it doesn't feel like it right now, but it's a great time to get out and meet new people. It's a wonderful time to say yes to all those social events probably you have been avoiding. Probably your time and energy was extremely invested in this person. So it's time that you meet people, and I will give you one tip. It's not out of like a manipulation or out of um, trying to get back at someone. But if you feel that you're living your life and you're seeing certain moments that you feel very connected with, feel free to shoot a few pictures and a video of the moment that you feel and post online. Post it on social media, but from only from that energy and space when you're actually invested in a moment, not to make somebody jealous or not to prove your point, because that will always backfire. People always read that kind of energy. So don't get into that game. It's a very nasty game and it doesn't earn you. The basic fact that you need is respect. So post when you feel resonated with a moment, meet new people, connect with other social circles, take some courses, go for certain events, go for certain concerts, and you never know who you will end up meeting. So these are my 3 points. Just giving you a quick revision is always coming down to respect, trying to find out the things that you don't like about yourself, and giving yourself the permission wholeheartedly to go and meet new people, guys. Go and connect with people. The world is big. Sometimes we are whining and troubled with one person, but it's a huge population in the world, and you never know who is really meant for you. And maybe that is the experience that you will enjoy the most. And you have to reach that through the path of heartbreak. If you like this video, of course, like it. My biggest help, your biggest help to me could be if you share it with somebody who needs it. And it would give me so much happiness that something like this benefited them. My experience could benefit even one person. I'm here even for one person who can feel better in their life. So please subscribe to my channel if these are the kind of videos and content that you enjoy and it helps you in day-to-day life. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.